Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. First of all, Ramadan Mubarak to everyone. May Allah bless you with wealth and happiness and gives you a healthy life. Have a blessed time. This is my first video in this channel. I hope you all like it. Today, I would like to share some of my recipes with you. And it's very easy and convenient, especially suitable for beginners. So let's get started. Are you a health conscious person? You don't want to have a fried snacks in the iftar time? Definitely you can try this recipe. Very tasty and yummy chicken puffs and chicken bread puffs. Let's see how I make this. You can take any kind of meat. Today I'm taking the chicken breast. Wash the meat and cut it into small cubes. First of all, heat the pan, drizzle some oil, add few curry leaves, and then add the freshly crushed ginger and garlic. Saute for a minute and then add diced onions, 2 green chilies, chopped. Saute the onion until it softens. If you want, you can add little pinch of salt. The onion is ready. Now you have to add the chopped chicken breast. Mix it well. Keep the flame in medium and saute the chicken for about 2 minutes. Now we'll add the spices. I'm adding some crushed pepper, turmeric, salt. Give it a quick mix. I'm not adding much spices to this. That's it for about 5 to 7 minutes. And then I'm adding some potato wedges. It's completely optional. If you don't want, you can just skip it. Add some water and let them cook. And finally, I'm going to add some chili flakes, some drops of soy sauce, and some red chili sauce because I like it more spicy. That's it. A tasty and super easy chicken stuffing is ready. It's very easy. Everyone can make this. Let it cool. Keep aside. I'll show you how you can make this chicken puffs. For that, you need the puff pastry sheets divided into 2 and then cut them in the equal sizes. I have cut it to 5 pieces. You can try your own pastry patterns. It's up to you. I'm just trying the easiest one. So take some of the stuffing. Put in the top of the dough. And I'm going to keep a slice of cheese on that. I like cheese in the pastries. Cover the top with the dough. Just slightly press in the edges. If you want, you can use a fork. So I'm going to use a fork to seal the edges, and it can gives you a different shape. Just give a try. You don't have to make in the exact this shape. You can make your own pastry. As I said, use a fork to close the edges. If not, you can use your make sure the edges are fully sealed. So here is the chicken puff. So preheat the oven to about 180 degrees. Bake to 20 to 25 minutes. Don't forget to brush with some egg yolks. So take a baking tray, place the pastries in the tray, give an egg wash and bake it. Here you go, the tasty, the yummy chicken puffs. Very easy and delicious. And next is the bread puffs. Are you worrying about you don't have pastry sheets? Definitely you might have breads in your home. It's very affordable as well. So I show you how you can make the bread puffs very easily. And it's same taste. Take some bread slices, cut it into circle shape with the using of a cookie cutter. Just give it a light press in the middle. Place the stuffing. And I have made a basic flour batter for this to close the edges. So apply in the edges. And take another slice. Close it and give it a good press in the edges. I'll show you another one as well. Take a slice of bread, give in the middle the stuffing. If you want, you can use boiled egg slices in the middle. It's completely optional. If you don't want to make with this chicken, you can go with a vegetarian stuffing as well. Like this, you have to give a good press in the middle, close the edges. So here we go. Make the rest as the same. So I made 4 bread puffs. Take a baking tray. Place the breads. and don't forget to preheat the oven. And here I have taken some melted butter, chopped garlic, some dried curry leaves, and some white and black pepper powder, chili flakes. Apply on the top of the bread. It can gives you a good aroma and it will gives you a good crispiness to the bread. That's it. Bake the breads and you will get a nice, yummy, crispy, tasty puffs are here. Thank you for watching my video. I need all your valuable opinions. Don't forget to comment in the comment box. If you like the video, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.